Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be doing another stock market or a stock review. We're going to be talking about Carnival Cruise. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys get something of value out of this video, because a lot of people are saying, well, Carter, there is so much opportunity with Carnival Cruise, and we're going to be seeing, are they right? Are they wrong? And I'm going to be kind of giving you guys my opinion about this stock. We're going to be doing some technical analysis, some fundamental analysis, and then honestly, just my overall opinion of should you buy this? You know, is this a good investment, or is there better opportunity elsewhere in the market? Okay, you guys can see this is the 3-year chart. So you guys can see each of these dotted lines represents 1 year. So the overall direction of this stock is down. So if you guys were a long-term investor in this stock 3 years ago, you're down quite a bit on your money. And yes, a lot of people are looking at this stock right now just because, given the recent sell-off, that brings opportunity, and opportunity is good. You know, it's good. So you guys can see this massive decline. You know, this is an 85% crash in Carnival. Now, when this happened, me, myself, everybody I knew, we were buying Carnival Cruise. I bought in a little bit, at about $8, $9, $10 a share. And yeah, so I more than doubled my money. Now, I'm done buying Carnival Cruise, and I've been done for a very long time. I've been holding it for about a year now, and I'm up, about 100%. And I think that's very fair. Just because of the overall rate of return we've seen from a lot of stocks. So yes, Carnival Cruise in the past was a good investment, good short-term investment, just because of the massive amounts of sell-off. Was extremely undervalued on the RSI, and honestly, it was just more of a massive dip. Bought it, hold it, and you're good. But now, should you buy this stock? So for me, one of the most important things in any investment is trend. The trend is your friend. So just by looking at this thing has a trend that I would absolutely hate to have. It's down. So a long-term investor would stay clear of this stock, like myself. Now, if you compare Carnival Cruise to just the general stock market, look at the difference, okay? Beautiful upward trend, nice recovery from the lockdowns, and we are literally hitting highs, it seems like, every week, every day. And honestly, that's a good thing. It's a solid market. Now, going back to Carnival Cruise, on the other hand, a lot more volatility, a lot more swings of going up and down, rapid rates, you guys can see. So for me, just by looking at the technicals, it's not the greatest. But sometimes technicals, they don't match fundamentals. So let's look at that. So one of the most important things for evaluating any investment, okay, is cash on hand. So they have around $9.2 billion in cash, which may seem good if you compare it to their long-term debt at $25 billion. So they have way more cash on hand than long-term debt. But hey, if they're bringing in a ton of revenue, that's not the end of the world, okay? So let's see. Well, their revenue is down 93%, which is terrible. Another 99%, which is terrible. 2019 was down 73%. So the last time they had an increasing in revenue was all the way back in 2018. Now, how do you expect this company to succeed and do good when their revenue is getting absolutely hammered? All right. Let's look at their margins, okay? Let's see, are they even profitable? And if so, how tight are their margins? Well, their margin rate is negative 6,471%. So what this means is, for Carnival to get $100 in profit, they have to spend roughly $6,471 to get $100. Now, how do you expect a company to survive just by looking at these fundamentals? At the end of the day, they won't. They won't survive. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Carnival Cruise either enter some sort of bankruptcy or some sort of, settlement. I just think that just right now, a lot of people are buying it just because of the massive amounts of sell-off this thing gets. I honestly would stay clear of it. I would rather see you guys invest in the S&P 500. I would rather see you guys invest in companies like Apple and or products that you guys use. If you guys are Starbucks drinkers, if you guys go to Target, if you guys go to other stores, like there's a ton of opportunity out there. Just because somebody tells you to buy a stock does not mean you have to do it. So for me, I am absolutely staying clear of Carnival. A lot more opportunity elsewhere, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value. And we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Don't buy Carnival. Take care.